Hey there guys, it's me Pat and welcome back again to another tutorial. For today's video, I'm going to discuss how to convert octal to its hexadecimal form. Now in here, we have an octal number which is 12 base 8 and then we're going to convert it into its hexadecimal form which is blank base 16. Now in order to convert, kailangan lang natin matutunan at maintindihan na maigi ang dalawang concepts. First one, yung binary to octal conversion, and second one naman is yung concept natin about hexadecimal. Ngayon, kung hindi nyo pa na-check yung mga videos ko about that, lagay ko na lang yung mga links down in the description box. So just a quick recall, kapag nagko-convert tayo from binary to octal, ginagamit natin yung pattern na 4, 2, 1. Okay? So based sa given natin na 12 base 8, ang una-una natin gagawin would be to convert this into its binary format. So again, meron tayong 1, 2 na digits. So ibig sabihin lang nito, dito tayo sa right magsisimula. At ang binary conversion ng 2 na to would be 0, 1, 0. Base dito. Next naman would be yung 1. Ang binary conversion niyan would be 0, 0, 1. Okay? Now, etong buong binary conversion ay etong number na to. Now, in order to transform this into its hexadecimal form, tandaan natin ang concept ng hexadecimal. Kung saan ang hexadecimal ay gumagamit ng pattern na 8421 at meron siyang 1, 2, 3, 4 na bits. So, ibig sabihin lang nito, yung binary conversion nito ay hahatiin natin sa 4 na bits. Okay? So, kailangan natin mag-start dito sa pinaka-right. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4, then slash, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Nilagyan ko ng 2 0 para makompleto yung 4 na bits natin. Since wala siya, dapat 0 ang lalagay natin instead na 1. Okay? Kasi representation lang to at wala naman tong value talaga. So, ang paghahati natin dito, nagsisimbolize lang na etong part na to ay isang hexadecimal number at etong part naman na to ay isang panibagong hexadecimal number. So, kapag kinonvert natin to, kailangan natin gayahin tong format na to. Ibig sabihin, ito ay magiging 8, ito ay magiging 4, ito ay magiging 2, at ito ay magiging 1. Now, dito naman, ganun din, ito ay magiging 8, ito ay magiging 4, ito ay magiging 2, at ito ay magiging 1. So, in this case, ang hexadecimal form yan would be yung mga naka-on na bits, tas i-add natin, that would be 8, plus 2, that would be 10, or sa hexadecimal, that would be letter A. While this case naman, since wala siyang naka-on, that would be equal to 0 lang. So, 0A base 16 ang ating sagot. Pero before that, pwede naman natin lagay A base 16 lang ang ating final answer. Okay? So, alam ko medyo nakakalito siya sa umpisa, but let's take a look at these examples para mas matrain pa tayo. So, as you can see guys, meron tayong reference dito ng ating pattern for octal number. So, lagyan lang natin ng 8 dito para sa ating hexadecimal pattern. Okay? Now, in here, meron tayong 13 base 8 na given. So, kailangan, ang una nating step is to convert it to its binary form. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, dito tayo magsisimula. That would be equal to 0, 1, 1. Tas dito naman, that would be equal to 0, 0, 1. After nun, isahatiin natin siya into 4 bits. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, dito tayo magsisimula ulit sa pinaka-right. That would be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Then slash. Then again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bakit 0 yung dinadagdag ko? Kasi wala naman talagang value yun. Just a representation lang para makompleto yung 4 bits natin. So again, ditong group na to ay isang hexadecimal number at ditong group naman na to ay isa pang hexadecimal number. So ibig sabihin, kapag kinonvert natin to based sa pattern na 8, 4, 2, 1 kasi hexadecimal na tayo, that would be equal to 8 plus 2, which is 10, plus 1 would be 11 and that would be equal to letter B. While dito naman, since wala tayong naka-on, that would be equal to 0, base 16. Okay? B, base 16 ang ating final answer. Now, if nahihirapan pa kayo dito sa mga letters, lalagay ko na lang yung notes dito. So, now, let's take a look at this example naman. We have here 26 base 8. So, again guys, ang una natin gagawin, tignan nyo lang steps na to, would be to convert it into its binary format. So, that would be, dito tayo magsisimula, 1, 1, 0, and then 0, 1, 0. After nyan is to group it into 4. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4, slash, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. That would be equal to 6. At ito naman would be equal to 1. So, ibig sabihin, ang ating final answer would be 16 base 16. Okay? Now, let's take a look at this example naman. We have here 10 base 8. Again, kailangan natin siya i-convert sa kanyang binary format. So, dito tayo magsisimula sa pinaka-right. That would be 0, 0, 0. Ito naman, that would be equal to 0, 0, 1. Kailangan natin i-convert to sa groups of 4. So, that would be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, slash, then 1, 2, 3, 4 ulit as a representation. So, in this case, ang sagot natin dyan would be 8 based sa 8, 4, 2, 1 natin na pattern. Tapos, in this case naman, 0 ang ating ilalagay. Ating final answer would be 8 base 16. Now, for our next example, we have here 25 base 8. Again, guys, ang una nating step is to convert it into its binary format. So, in this case, ang 5 natin ay magiging 1, 0, 1. At ang 2 naman natin would be 0, 1, then 0. Ang next step natin is to group it into 4 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, then slash, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, ibig sabihin ng group na to kapag inappend natin yung ating pattern na 8, 4, 2, 1 para maging isang hexadecimal form, ang mangyayari lang dyan would be 4 plus 1, that would be equal to 5, and then ito naman ay magiging equal to 1. Final answer would be 15 base 16. Okay? Now, for our next example, we have here 56 base 8. Again, guys, ito yung gagamitin natin ng mga steps. So, ibig sabihin lang nito, yung 6 ay magiging 1, 1, 0, at yung 5 naman ay magiging 1, 0, 1. Okay? Next step natin is to group it into 4 para maging isang hexadecimal number. So, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, slash, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 ulit. Ang group na to ay letter E, at etong group naman na to, number 2. Then, ang ating final answer would be 2E base 16. Now, paano siya naging letter E? Kasi 8 plus 4, that is equal to 12, plus 2, that is equal to 14. And then again, ang counting natin ay A, B, C, D, E, and then F. Wherein yung A natin would be 10, B natin is 11, C natin is 12, D natin is 13, then is 14, 15. Okay? Now, let's take a look at this example. We have here 47 base 8. Again, guys, i-convert natin to its binary format. That would be 1, 1, 1, and then this would be 1, 0, 0. 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 ulit. So, in this case, this would be 7, and then in this case, this would be 2. Ang ating final answer would be 27 base 16. So, I hope medyo clear na to kasi mag-move na tayo sa mga medyo difficult na examples. And that would be 625 base 8. So, ang pinagkaiba yung gagawin natin, i-convert natin to, which is 1, 0, 1, and then 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now, in here, kung mapapansin nyo, etong format na to ay kailangan natin appendan ng 8421 para sa kanyang hexadecimal form. So, that would be equal to 5, equal to 9, equal to 1. Ang final answer natin would be 195 base 16. Okay? So, dito naman tayo sa examples na to at binaro ka na iba nating handwriting. So, that would be equal to 1, 0, 1, and then 0, 0, 0, and then 0, 0, 1. Hatiin na natin 1, 2, 3, 4, slash, 1, 2, 3, 4, slash again, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So, based dito sa group na to, kailangan lang natin i-append yung format na 8, 4, 2, 1 para maging hexadecimal. So, that would be equal to 5, that would be equal to 4, and this would be equal to 0. So, in short, that would be equal to 45 base 16. Now, let's try this example naman. This would be equal to 0, 1, 0. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Tapos, hatiin 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, etong part would be 10 or letter A. This one would be 0. This one would be 1. Ating final answer would be 1, 0, A base 16. So, take note guys, yung mga 0 ay tinatanggal lang natin sa unahan, pero yung mga nasa gitna at nasa hulihan ay hindi natin tinatanggal. Okay? Pero depende pa rin yun sa teacher nyo kung gusto niya tanggalin mga 0 sa unahan kasi usually tinatanggal naman talaga yan. Now, let's move on to our next examples. So, we have here again 273. That would be equal to 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and then 0, 1, 0. So, hatiin natin 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, slash ulit, then 1, 2, 3, 4. So, sa group na to, that would be letter D. Dito naman, that would be letter D. Dito naman, that would be 0. So, ibig sabihin ang ating sagot ay D is 16. Now, for our next example, we have here 5, 4, 5. That would be equal to 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, and then 1, 0, 1 ulit. So, hatiin natin siya 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Itong group na to, that would be equal to 5, 6, and then 1. So, in short, ang ating sagot would be 165 base 16. Now, next example would be 120. Again, this would be equal to 0, 0, 0, then 0, 1, 0, and then 0, 0, 1. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Or pwede nyo naman ito gawing 0 na lang agad. So, in this case, this would be 0, this would be 5. So, ibig sabihin 0, 5, 0, or simply 50 base 16. Now, let's try these examples naman. This would be 1026 base 8. So, again, same concept lang, pero pinahaba. This would be equal to 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, and then 0, 0, 1. So, pag hinati natin yan, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, slash 1, 2, 3, 4, slash 1, 2, 3, 4. So, etong group na to would be equal to, again guys, yung etong 8 natin para sa hexadecimal, huwag nyo kakalimutan. So, again, etong group na to, this would be equal to 6, then this would be equal to 1, and then this would be equal to 2. So, in short, ang ating answer dyan would be 216 base 16. Okay? Now, let's try another example, which is this one naman. This is 3154 base 8. 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, and then 0, 1, 1, base 2. So, hatiin natin 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this group is equal to 12, or that is equal to letter C. Now, this group naman is equal, and this one naman is equal to 6, 6, 6, and then C base 16 ang ating final answer. Now, let's try this next example. We have 4, 5, 6, 0, 1 base 8. So, that would be equal to 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, and then 1, 1, 0. Okay, malilito guys. Ito muna yung gagawin natin. Tsaka natin ito gagawin kapag magko-convert na. Okay? Next would be 1, 0, 1, and then 1, 0, 0. So, again, hatiin natin to 1, 2, 3, 4, slash 1, 2, 3, 4, slash 1, 2, 3, 4, slash 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, this part would be equal to 1. This part would be equal to 8. This part would be equal to letter B. And then this part naman would be equal to 4. So, in short, ang ating final answer would be 4B, 81, base 16. Okay? Now, for our last example, in here, we have 10357 base 8. This would be 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, and then 0, 0, 0, and then 0, 0, 1, base 2. So, hatiin natin 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, then 4. So, this group would be equal to letter F kasi automatic pag naka-on lahat, letter F yun, equals siya sa 15. And then this one would be equal to letter E. Since 8 plus 4 is equal to 12 plus 2 is equal to 14, that is letter E. This one would be equal to 0. And then this last part would be equal to 1. So, in short, ang ating answer would be 1, 0, E, F, base 16. Okay? So, I hope guys na naintindihan niyo yung lesson na to kahit medyo nakakalito talaga siya. So, para matest ko kung naintindihan niyo talaga, I want you to answer this short assessment at meron na tayong pattern na 4 to 1 dito kasi i-add ko na lang yung 8 para hindi kayo malito na ito yung hexadecimal form natin na pattern. Okay? So, in here, I have 3761 base 8 and then the next example would be 20548. So, make sure na i-comment nyo yung mga answers nyo down in the comment sections below para ma-check natin afterwards. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!